Okay, so here we are in Tucson, Arizona with La Cholla Landscape.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be pretty cool.
Nice spot, isn't it?
Only one thing.
What's that?
There's no lawns.
There's no grass anywhere.
How do they make any money with
I
landscaping?
think we'll find out. Let's go meet Gabe, the owner of La Cholla Landscape, and hear his story, shall we?
Harvesters, you have no idea how privileged I feel having you here to help me. I started my company 13 years ago, and it's been quite the struggle and quite the journey. My wife was pregnant with our first daughter, and like many, I began working part-time after my full-time job. My motive was to start a business so my wife didn't have to work, so she could devote her time to raising our family. In the beginning, I had no clue about how to run a business, but I worked hard and tried to use common sense. A few years ago, I hired a business consultant, but he had no experience in the landscaping industry, and after 6 months, we had to part ways. Now, during the last few years, my manager and I have become somewhat of a counselor to our field workers. They struggle with a mindset that they're stuck where they are in life and will never be able to advance. If you can help make my business a success, it's my passion to help change their mindset and convince them that one day they can rise up through the ranks, and if they choose, they can start their own business as well. I'd say that one of my strengths is that I have a teachable spirit, and I so much look forward to the valuable insights you'll give me in the months ahead. I believe this opportunity is going to exceed my expectations and impact me, my people, and the business in a really positive way. Thank you, Harvesters Bill and Ed, and Lawn and Landscape Magazine so much for this opportunity. I can't wait to start.